Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to set up app continuity between the cover and inner screen on Motorola Razr Fold. The continuity means if you open an app on the inner screen and then fold your screen, it will continue for the app to be open, so it won't lock the screen automatically. Now, you can go to the settings to adjust these settings by going to the foldable display in settings right here, then finding app continuity, and you could select, for example, swipe app to continue, which means always if you start an app on the cover screen and go to inner, it will always go into it. But now when I lock the screen, I'll need to swipe up. It will stay unlocked. The phone stays unlocked like for a few seconds. And if I slide up, I'll continue the app. But if I don't slide up now, let's now tap on the screen. Now I'll need to unlock it. And the last way is to never continue. So when I close the screen, well, let's try that again. When I close the screen, it is immediately locked and I'll need to unlock it. So that's how it works. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.